Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of looking at that mountain of dirty dishes? Well, today I'm going to show you how to install a brand new Whirlpool dishwasher yourself. It's easier than you think, and you'll save a ton of money on installation fees. First things first, safety. Make sure to turn off the power and the water supply to the old dishwasher. Once that's done, we'll disconnect the drain hose, the water line, and the electrical wiring. Then just slide the old unit out. Next, we'll prep the new dishwasher by attaching the necessary fittings for the water and drain lines. We'll slide it into place, making sure it's level. Then it's just a matter of reconnecting everything: the water supply, the drain hose, and the power. We'll test for leaks, run a quick cycle, and you're all set. It's a straightforward project that you can definitely tackle in an afternoon. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY tips.